This video is to show Bosch Downdraft replacement. This is the Bosch dhg601duc. It's a piece of poop, but Bosch made these widths not standard, so I tried a Braun Downdraft, but that didn't fit, so I'm stuck with Bosch. Piece of crap. This thing fried. This controller board fried. It cost me $600 to $700. Anyways, the motor that was in it is this guy. This is the dhg601duc. I had to unplug the controller cord, and I actually snipped it off right here. And I saw a review on Bosch's site for the actual motor. The motor sucks. It burns out after 5 years, and I've read reviews that motor sucks too. So I got a Bosch dhg602duc as a replacement for this one. Note that this is a 6-inch duct, and the 602duc is an 8-inch duct, which sucks as well. The wiring for the 601 is right here. So you can see green, yellow goes to ground, white goes to neutral, red is speed 1, blue is speed 2, brown is speed 3. This is the 601 DUC wiring diagram. The 602, this is the actual unit, has a wiring here, but it doesn't tell you what the speeds are, so you kind of have to guess. It's not like a one-to-one color. So you kind of have to guess to see what it is, which is a piece of poo in and of itself. So through process of elimination, I was able to get this wiring just fine. The question marks, I didn't know, so I just tried it anyways. And I plugged it into my downdraft unit. I just used some wire nuts. So this is the old harness connector that I snipped off the 601, and the 602 doesn't come with a connector, so it just comes with bare wires. So this is how I connected it. So the yellow green goes to ground. There's 2 yellow greens here. The blue is capped off, white goes to white, black goes to brown, red goes to red, and orange goes to blue. And this is the diagram. If you're trying to replace the crappy 601 motor with the 602, then this wiring diagram might be helpful for you. I just tested it. I tested on speed 1, 2, 3, and they all worked just fine. Hopefully this is helpful for someone. Now I just got to figure out how I'm going to get a 6-inch duct on this 8-inch duct over here. Bosch is a piece of crap. Thanks, bye.